Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Goodwill Windshield Cleaner Tool Car Cleaning. This 3x thicker car windshield cleaning microfiber tool given. Windshield car cleaner comes with highly effective soft microfiber which is 3 times thicker and more absorbent than ordinary fabrics. Aluminum handle will not break and non-slip sponge make your hand comfort even under great pressure. Extendable cleaning kit helps get the hard to reach area of window and no more hurts your back. Pivoting rotating head helps to provide better leverage and full contact to all surfaces to remove troublesome gunk in the corner of windshield, ideal for interior and exterior cleaning. Besides for car windshield cleaner, 3 pieces of removable fiber towel sand, 1 piece of cleaning cloth hand spray bottle are suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, furniture, mirrors, ceramic, shower stalls and other household glass clean. Windshield cleaner base have an extendable handle with pivoting 180-degree swiveled head made by high-quality material of plastic. A washable microfiber pad cover uses strong water absorption cloth to ensure our product is good. Car cleaning window tool with durable and ergonomic handle, easily extend to hard-to-reach window bases. Car window cleaner have a 4 mixed colors washable and reusable microfiber pad with strong water absorption that can remove dirt and dust. Our second best car windshield cleaner is Astro AI Windshield Cleaner. The car windshield cleaner with a detachable handle can be disassembled into halves for storage. It comes with 4 pieces washer towels and 1 60ml spray bottles. Clean car window interiors and exteriors without straining. No more hurting your back. With the extra long extension handle and bigger pivoting head, getting to those hard to reach car window bases is simple. The twist lock on the handle is tight and it stays extended all the way. Works well as a fog and moisture removal tool. Use the cleaning brush set in your car, hard to reach windows in your house, television, glass screens, glass mirrors, and even floors. Good for all size cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. A washable microfiber pad with good water absorbability. There is absolutely no streaking nor lint left behind. Car cleaning window tool can clean car windshield interiors and exteriors without straining, without any chemicals or soap. It is easy to use the extendable handle and microfiber pivoting pad to clean hard to reach car window bases. Car cleaning window tool can use in all size cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. Car window cleaner also is suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, furniture, mirrors, ceramic, shower stalls and others. Great for fog and moisture too. Third pick in our list is Joyful and Hopeful Windshield Cleaner. It is effective as a fog and moisture removal tool. Use the cleaning brush set in your car to clean hard to reach windows in your home, as well as televisions, glass screens, glass mirrors, and even flooring. Fits all vehicle, truck, SUV, and RV sizes. This inside windshield cleaner tool set includes 2 pieces of premium microfiber and 1 piece of chenille for streak-free cleaning of the interior of the windshield. With its extending handle and pivoting head, this windshield cleaning tool makes it simple to clean those hard to reach spots. The 17 inches length of this telescopic windshield cleaner tool makes it simple to clean both the front and back inside glass of a car. The padded grip on the windshield washing tool is comfortable and prevents my hand from slipping. A car wash brush with a long handle makes an excellent present for automobile aficionados. It comes with all vehicle wash mop kits and efficiently keeps your automobiles, SUVs, trucks, and boats sparkling and clean. You will receive 4 aluminum poles, 2 interchangeable microfiber mitts, 2 windshield cleaner pads, 1 microfiber duster, and 1 microfiber towel. The largest length is 62 inches, but you can choose any length you like. With its 180-degree rotation design, the extending car wash brush mop mitt allows you to clean hard to reach regions with ease and less effort. When combined, it creates a long handle car wash mop that is lightweight enough for a rapid and enjoyable car wash without leaving scratches. Number 4 in our side is Zindel Windshield Cleaner. There will be no more back pain. The windshield cleaner's extra long extension handle and rotating head make it easy to reach those hard to reach car window bases. Car windshield cleaning kit with 180-degree swiveled triangle head to create complete contact with the glass, which fit with the glass surface very well. Easy to clean the bottom of car windows or certain hard-to-reach regions, from inside to exterior, simple to use and straightforward. Long ergonomic handle readily extends to hard-to-reach window bases, allowing for even washing of surfaces. Most people used to dread cleaning their automobile since it was such a pain to clean the windshield. Not any longer. Interior and external automobile windows should be cleaned. The cleaning pad pole is made of aluminum alloy, which is lightweight and non-rusting, making it more durable than plastic. The end of the handle is covered with a soft sponge, making it non-slip and comfortable to grasp. 3 pieces reusable and washable pads composed of fine fiber fluffed material are more effective at removing dirt and dust and are easy to clean. The microfiber cloth assists in the removal of grime, dust, and fingerprints from the glass. Excellent car window cleaner design. Flexible chenille detailing car duster is great for removing pollen and dust from your car without leaving behind irritating lint. It is ideal for usage in all vehicles such as cars, RVs, and trucks, as well as indoors on windows, bookcases, shelves, countertops, and closets. The microfiber car wash mitt pads with poles are ideal for cleaning automobile windows, glass, doors, and mirrors at home. Soft and absorbent microfiber brush mop pads effectively remove water with no traces or damages. It is simple to dry the water on the high side of a car, truck, RV, or bus. Number 5 in our top 5 best car windshield cleaner list is Just Top Windshield Cleaning Tool. The extendable handle not only contains the soft sponge cover to ensure your comfort when cleaning the window, but also the adjustable length of the handle also makes it easier to clean the vehicle glass. The handle is 9.45 to 15.35 inch and hole cleaner is 10.83 to 16.73 inch, which is long enough to allow you to clean any position of the car glass. Designed with pivoting square head to make a complete contact to the glass, which can be rotated 180 degrees to fit the glass surface very well, easy to clean the bottom of car windows or some hard to reach areas, easy to use and effortless. The car window cleaner includes 3 pieces of microfiber pads for easy replacement, wet and dry use. The towel is made of soft microfiber and the surface of the fabric is finely treated, which must clean your vehicle well and never cause streaking after cleaning. The windshield cleaner is great for all size cars, SUV, trucks, Jeeps, UTVs, ATVs and so on. You can also use for cleaning house, include windows. Our Randolph brand car window cleaner have an extendable handle. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.